Olá! Do you know how to introduce your mom and dad in Portuguese? Today, I'm going to teach you the names of family members in European Portuguese. Let's go! First, the most important one, mother. In Portuguese, we say mãe. Mãe. It has a nasal sound at the end. Can you say it? Mãe. Next is father. In Portuguese, this is pai. Pai. Like pie that you eat but shorter. Pai. Do you have a sister? A sister is called irmã. Irmã. Listen to the end sound irmã. And if you have a brother, that is irmão. Irmão. This one is tricky. Big mouth sound. Irmão. Now listen carefully. Grandmother is avó. Avó. The O is open like you are surprised. Avó. Avó. But grandfather sounds different. He is avó. Avó. See? The sound is closed and deep. Avó. Avó. So we have mãe, pai, irmã, irmão, avó, and avó. This is a familia. The family. Great job! Which family member do you talk to the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more Portuguese.